Good morning. It is a Tuesday, March 5th. It's 9:27 a.m. Let me post this in the group. All right. Market opens in about 2 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to keep my hair down or not. Good morning. Good morning. All right. I got to get on TikTok. Let me see. Everything's good. All right, cool. All right. All right, I'm on TikTok now, so could share that. Good morning. What's up? All right, so the market's about to open. We have two big reports this morning, so we're going to keep an eye on those. I also have Visi turned on. I finally remembered. Oh, you know what I didn't remember, though? Putting it on the correct account on the chart trader, because then we won't see any of the trades. All right. Cool. What's up? Maybe I'll shift this over a little. I am back home. I was away for a few days. I love coming back to like my workspace. It's just, so was that person last week that tried to make fun of me for working in a closet? Listen, I love my closet. It's so comfortable. All the market's just dropping. It's so comfortable. It's my jam. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you my auto trading algorithms on the futures market. What's up, Andon? So yeah, I'm happy to be home, back in my little cozy space. I have Visi turned on, so we'll see if that takes some trades. It is Tuesday, so we could get some runs. We'll see. We have two big reports this morning, one at 9:45, one at 10. Nice, you bought Apex yesterday. Yeah, their 80% sale ended yesterday. Now they're doing the money closet. That's cute. Good morning. I signed up for Apex. Nice. So after you sign up for Apex, then you sign up for the algorithm. That is the next step. So you would just email me or use the email that you already have that has the link in the email for the trial, which is $500 for 21 days. If you need that, again, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. But yeah, they were doing an 80% sale that ended yesterday. And now they're doing a 3-day evaluation pass with a 71% sale. And we're just dropping. I have Visi on, but it's not going to take long here. Oh, I should have put the Visi short on too. So I rolled out a Visi short. So our current Visi is a long only play, but the Visi short does well when we're under the chop zone, when we're under the magic line. Most people that are premium, there's like 75 premium members. Most of them are students, so they have access to the chop zone, but even if they're not, they can use the magic line to determine if they should run the shorts or the longs on the Visi. Visi long is great overall, but like last week, I think the Visi short made $2,500. Overnight, there was one win that was on ES Night. That was this setup right here. There was no NQ night trades and no NQ evening trades. If you have any questions, just put them in the chat. Or you can email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I feel like it's probably hard to see that, but I haven't put my face on here in like a week, so I was like, I'll do my face today. Sometimes.
Order submitted.
Oh, that's not my other one.
Order canceled.
That one hit target. So this is another new one that I just showed my premium members. I'll show you guys. So it looks like this. It looks crazy. But there's one super conservative one that trades like once a week, which does really well. It still makes like $1,500 a month, and the risk is $200. Then there's another one that trades, I don't know, maybe 20 times a day. That one could be a little wild, but the drawdown still isn't bad. It's like $2,000 for all day, but if you limit it to 11:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., then it ends up being a drawdown of only 1,000 or 1,500, something like that. $1,250 and profit of 9,000. So 4,300 per month this year. So 4,300 in January, 4,300 in February. It seems to do well in like a choppy market, essentially. We'll see if we keep Jeopardy. I don't trade stocks or crypto. I feel like that's a crypto. I only trade futures. So the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell, oil, gold, natural gas. Hi, Roland. How are you? I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, so make sure you give me a follow. Jen, one of my users, so I have 3 users that also go live to show you their experience. Jen goes live every day from 2 to 3 p.m. Will goes live every day from 4 to 5 p.m., all Eastern Standard Time. Jen goes live on her account. Will goes live on his account. And then Kyle.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Target filled. All right, well, ES and NQ already hit target on the shorts. ES and NQ both hit target. Let's go. Look at this. Look at this. I don't even have my buzzers up. Yeah, eggs and apples.
Order submitted.
Anyway, as I was saying, NQ early, 1 for 1.
Order
ES
submitted.
early, 1 for 1. Let's go. We need some eggs in the chat. We need some apples in the chat. Busy's in along. We'll see what happens here. But what was I just saying? Where did we go to? 56. There are 2 major reports that haven't even come out yet, so. Oh, and then Kyle goes live on his account from 6 to 9 p.m. I think that's what I was saying. Hold on, Vizzy's in a long. What? Give me that. Vizzy was green $85 a second ago. This is the first trade on Vizzy. Remember, the risk on Vizzy is also $200, which is great. People love that. Super fast.
Order canceled.
All right, so Vizzy had a loss there for $200. Again, this is the long Vizzy, so if you were playing the short Vizzy, it would have gotten short there. It also would have gotten short here at 9:01, but we don't run it that early. If you have any questions, put them in chat. Look at Kyle. Look at Kyle in this short. $1,860. You go, Kyle. I played pickleball last night. I had missed it so much when I was gone this weekend. If you're not in the mentorship, you're missing out on a lot of money. That's all I can say. I don't know what else to say. I feel like everyone talks about how good the mentorship is and how profitable the student calls every morning are, like, and how well they can do for you. But some people still delay on getting the mentorship. I don't really know why. But then once they do, they're like, oh, I should have gotten this months ago. I'm like, yeah. What is this, like, piece of hair that's just sticking out sideways from my head?
Order submitted.
RTY isn't along, but RTY is not a play on Tuesdays. So. Oh, actually it is. It is a play on Tuesdays. My bad. It is a play. So let's see if RTY can hit. I feel like most people don't run RTY. Ooh, we were almost at target there. Do you see that? Go, go, go. Like the wick got to the target, but I didn't get filled. And that happens because essentially there's a line. There's an order when it comes to being filled, either for a stop loss or a target or even getting in a trade. So you are in line with other people. So if you weren't the first person in line at this price to sell, then you didn't get filled. Or not necessarily the first person. Like, I don't know what number I am. Say I'm number 15.
Target filled.
Now I got filled. So R2, I hit target. But if I was, say, number 30 and it went up there and it filled 28 people's sell orders, I'm still waiting. And that's a normal thing. It's called first in, first out. It's like one of the first things you learn when taking the series. What details you need from my email? No, I don't need any details from your email, Explore Trust. You need to click on the trial link that is in the email I sent you. If you don't have that email, then email me and ask for the link, because it's not on my website. Excuse me. So first in, first out, FIFO is how all trading works. A lot of times people will join the group and they're like, well, wait, why did Bob get filled and I'm still waiting to get filled? Well, that's because your order went in after Bob's order.
Order submitted.
Even if it's like a millisecond. Thank you for the bless you. That's how that works. So if you have your Apex accounts, you're ready to go, you need to click on the email I sent you. It says paid trial. Click here or whatever, something like that. I'll show you. It's in the email I sent you. If you don't have that email, that's fine. Just email me again and I'll send it to you again.
Target filled.
Target filled? On what? Oh, that's NQ on zones, but that's on Sim today. This is what the informational email looks like. Right here, it says do this, do this, do this, do this. Algo subscription, algo subscription. So you would click this link. This is a link. Anything blue is a link. You would click this link, and then it will take you to sign up for the algo. Okay? So go back to your BoldBot automated trader email and click on the algo subscription link. And then you'll be added to the group and you'll be ready to go. And then you'll be using the algorithm in no time. Nice job, Kenny. Kenny made $32,000. Again, Kenny doesn't want to teach people how to trade. People were DMing him yesterday when he posted his $11,000. Listen, this is what he does pretty much every day, but he doesn't want to teach. He doesn't want to teach people. What do you mean, how is the bot? The bot is awesome. No. So if you can choose to trade the bots with either a cash account or a eval/funded account. Top Step, Lilu, Apex. Apex is doing 71% and a 3-day evaluation pass right now. Top Step has a pretty good breakdown. How much is it? It's $500 for 21 days and then $1,000 every month after that.
Order
So
submitted.
this is a manual trade or a few manual trades from Kenny. He is one of my students. He's been with me since 2020 and he does this like every day. So again, he knew nothing about trading before he took my mentorship. He took my mentorship and this is what he does now. Not really. I do. So I go back and forth with using the screen. Yep, so if you email me, I can send you a breakdown, but there's several algorithms. So it depends on which one you're talking about. Like this one is range, and this one is anywhere from 85% to like 99% on the last 14 months. So all of 2023 and then 2024. But then you have something like Vizzy. Hold on, let me show you Vizzy. This, which makes a lot of money, the risk to reward is amazing. Like the reward is 10 to 1 of what the risk is, but it loses probably 50% of the time, or 50% of the time, 45% of the time. So it just depends. It just depends on the strategy that you're running, the risk you want to take, the setup that you choose. There's a bunch of setups, so. But range today is 4 for 4. So this is RTY, which is the Russell. ES Night had a win last night. That's this, the S&P 500. ES Early just had a win here. That's S&P 500. And then NQ, the NASDAQ, just had a win here. So we're 4 for 4 on the day, 100% on range, which is the standard algorithm. It's the most straightforward, the easiest to understand. That's what you get as soon as you sign up. And then some of the other ones that I'm showing are premium.
Order submitted.
And some are also part of the standard plan, like scalper, but I just don't. Yeah, this one's in another short. Oh, we have a really strong report in 1 minute. Yeah, sure thing. If you want more information, just email me. My email's on the screen. BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. I also teach how to essentially read the charts and trade futures yourself.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
It's probably busy. Sure thing. It's 9:44. Let's see what happens on this report in 1
Order
minute.
canceled.
There's that report. So again, I'm running the Vizzy long only, but the short only has been doing well when we're under the chop zone. So this is a proprietary chop zone that I give to my students every day by 5 a.m. Also, this yellow line is the proprietary LIS. So that information is given to my students, and then we have a pre-market analysis call from 8:45 to 9:15 every day. I break down what I'm seeing, what I'm expecting to see, what I want to see, and then we kind of go from there at the market open. Thanks, Jen. Yeah, I actually was looking at the time. I played some good pickleball last night. I had some good games. There were a lot of new people, though, so sometimes, and that's fine. Like, obviously, I was new at some point. But sometimes those games go a little slower or faster if you just, like,
Order submitted.
really quickly. Do you have to have experience using? No. So this is not forex. Let me be clear. These are futures. This is not forex. I trade futures only. No forex, no crypto, no stocks. You don't have to have. Yeah, you don't have to be from the U.S. either. I'm in the U.S. Most of my members are from the U.S., but I also have people from Australia, people in Canada, people in Mexico, people in Europe, people in the U.K., whatever. But yeah, you don't have to have experience trading or using bots to use my bots. When you sign up, I have 2 admins that help you get fully set up. So they essentially hold your hand through the whole process. They will send you everything you need. They're step-by-step videos. You watch the video, you get set up, and then you just turn it on every night. If you're new here, make sure you follow me. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Jen goes live. She's in the chat right now. BoldBot Just Jen. I'm going to pin it. Make sure you follow her. She goes live from 2 to 3 p.m. She's a lot of fun. Oh, Oracle's in a $400 short. We're in a $400 short on this. Shoot. Hold on. Let me get this for you guys because I have it on. I didn't even notice. I think I thought it was Vizzy and it was is Oracle? It's in a $400 short. This is the new algo that has been released. It's going to be released to everyone. So it's going to be part of the standard plan. Don't worry if you haven't gotten it yet. I release everything to premium members first. They get to run it first and try it. But this will be a standard setup. So if you're in the group in any capacity other than just a student, you will have access to Oracle. Nice. I saw it come through. Amy will add you. So futures are very similar to forex. They're kind of like brother sister. But I got into futures. I think I saw something on Instagram and I was like, because I was already trading options and common shares. But the ability to leverage, which is what people really like about forex, is the same thing with futures. Like this trade cost me $1,000 and I'm already up 500. So you can make so much money in futures. The market's open 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. I have no idea what those are. $600 on the Oracle short. And it's a no play on Monday. So today's the first day we're running it. $700 on the Oracle short. Yes. Also, Will goes live from 4 to 5 p.m. and then Kyle goes live from 6 to 9 p.m. All on their own accounts. So make sure you follow my account, follow Jen's account. She's in the chat. Will should also be in the chat unless he's not. But yeah. Where's Kyle?
Order submitted.
All right, so guaranteed green on this trade. Obviously, you could take this stop loss and move it down if you wanted to. You don't have to. So yeah, I don't know. I found futures before finding forex, so I became interested in futures, and I've now been a futures trader for like 8 years. 8, 9? I don't know. I'm getting really old. So this is as green as 700. You could have taken your profit there if you want, especially if you're qualifying for an Apex account. You want to be aware of what the trailing drawdown actually means and how that works. We have some really good material when you join the group about how to not bust an Apex account, how to understand the drawdown and understand essentially how much you should be risking every day, how much you should be trying to profit every day. Obviously, it's not advice, but the point is, if you're coming in with no knowledge of how Apex works, you definitely need to watch those videos and read the documentation that we give you. It's 9:50. There's another. Oh, Kyle, can you say hi? Say hi, because I want to pin your username. Kyle said he's in the chat. But I want to pin his so we can get people to follow his account since he's going live all week from 6 to 9 p.m. We were just dropping down here. I sit on my ankles all the time, and it's probably so bad. It is so bad. But it's so comfortable.
Target filled.
Vizzy's in a $200 long. Something just hit target. Maybe it was bar. Nope, I don't even have that open. Well, this might come up and hit that trail.
Order canceled.
Alright. Oracle hit the offset. What? Oh, we're in a $400 long on Vizzy. So Vizzy is 0 for 3 so far today. We're also under the chop zone and under the magic line. I'd be interested to see how these played out. Like this would have been a short. That would have been beautiful. Do you see this here? Because when it comes back to the line, that's where it takes the short. So this would have been a really nice trade right here. That was at 65 and it went down to 25. A little less. 40 points. Oh, that's kind of close to where Oracle got short. It got short at 61.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order submitted. This came all the way back down, and then it got back in another long. Because you got to get busy for you guys, right? Did you run the shorts in Sim, Andon? I know Jen's running it, and so is Chris D, but I'd be interested. I should have ran it just to see. Oh, you see how it hit that offset and it's coming right back down? Bam. Oh, it bounced off my level. We went to the 26.
Order canceled.
Nice job, Laura. Oops. I was acting like I had numbers on this keyboard on the right, and I don't. Oops. Why did I say 36? Clearly I meant 26. That means you need to turn on your chart trader. That's in one of the initial videos. That is in video 1. You need to turn on your chart trader and point it to the correct account. So when your chart trader is turned on, you then have to point it to the account that you want to see the action of.
Order
so
submitted.
like
Order submitted.
whatever account Laura has this trade on, she has it on the chart trader on the right side. She's green $800 on this short. She's one of my students, also joined with no prior knowledge of trading, no prior knowledge of futures, and she's green $800 on this. Well, that's part of it. It was green 85 on that first trade. I'm surprised you didn't take it. Laura made $1,600. Nice job, girl. Level to level trading. Why are you even taking a trade? What? Is that English? Listen, dude, my algos trade for me. I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting here with my hands on my teacup that is nice and warm, or in my hair because it seems to getting on my nerves today, and I keep moving it around. Who's excited for Vegas? It's coming up soon. Yeah, but that's not correct grammar. Like, it could be, and I'm not talking to you. Who are you talking to? Oh, Andon's not taking a trade. Andon is using Vizzy to trade for him.
Order submitted.
What I was saying to him is that the first trade was green $85. Again, Andon, I posted last night that when we're under the chop zone, and you're a student, and when we're under the magic line, you shouldn't be running the longs. But the first trade was green. Yep, check your email. Amy has invited you into the group Explorer. I have 2 admins, Amy and Irma, and they take care of everything. So, which makes sense because I'm on the live stream, and I can't be doing those things while on here. So you'll be getting an invite to Slack. Sometimes it goes to spam, so make sure you check that. Slack is similar to Discord, but it's not Discord. Thanks, Dan. All right, so we hit essentially the ultimate target for the day. I didn't take this short, but a lot of my students did. It's 9:56. There's another report coming out in 4 minutes. There are 20 people on YouTube and only 9 likes. I need the likes to go up a bit more. I should put a straw in my cup so that it's not, like, in the way. That's an idea. Laura said, the mentorship teaches level to level strats. Morning student play are fire. Yeah, I don't know. Everyone's like dead.
Stop filled.
That was on NQ Zones. That's a no play on Tuesday, so that is fine. There are several you can use. I use
Order submitted.
X something factory, and then I go to the economic calendar. The economic calendar. Right? Anyway, Jen posts them for me every night, and then Laura reposts them. Good job, Irma. Thank you. You put it in the chat, Irma. Nice job, Mike. Mike's always good in green. So I don't trade the SPY, but we trade ES, which is essentially the same thing. And I'm not against what you think. Powell is speaking to Congress Wednesday and Thursday. I don't know why you have so many weeks of all these annoying reports that kind of get in the way. But the standard algos are 4 for 4 today, so can't complain. 4 for 4. Confused on what? We're talking... Suki, we're not talking about that. Irma, you have someone. But just turn it on.
Target filled.
Target filled. I think that's on Q zones again. But again, we don't run it on Tuesday.
Order canceled.
What? How did Suki forget to turn on any of the algorithms? Good job, Irma. 10 a.m. report. Spiked up. No, I'm just over here flabbergasted that Suki forgot to turn on any of the algorithms. So he missed 4 for 4 today. Nice
Order
job, Rick.
submitted. Stop filled.
That's on zones again. It's not a Tuesday play. Now, pick the account that is going to trade on. I'm going to have to start.
Order submitted.
Remember, if you sign up for the mentorship, you're not going to know stuff just like within a day or even after running the algorithms. Watching the videos, because it's not going to sink in. The concepts are going to take a little bit of time. You should be trading in simulation. You should be practicing all the time. Thanks for the likes on YouTube. And if you're in the algos, then the algos need to be on. Like, the algos are 4 for 4 today. 4 for 4. I haven't done one in a while. We should do one. I think it's like 69. Is this the one I did? Oh, yeah. All right. We're doing one because I'm bored. That's so bright. Oh, but y'all are going to be like in the way of my... Easy or medium? I'm going to do easy. Oh, I should do dark mode. Hold on, let me go back because it's so bright.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
As I'm in the midst of applying for residency
I have to
right
watch
now,
a video?
wish me luck. Grammarly has again been a
the-
lifesaver with my application.
Oh, there we go. 64. I'm using this new keyboard, and that was on easy, which is bad. I'm using this new keyboard that's like cute, but it's not as easy as my old keyboard, which was super loud and clicky. Oracle's in another short. Green, $130. Green, $250. Oh my gosh, look at John. Do you guys see this? 3,000 to 1,000 across all of his Apex accounts. Green, $250 on this Oracle short. Oracle made $5,000 3 weeks ago, and then it made $1,500 the following week, and then last week it was red from all of that crazy tightness. $400 guaranteed green on this Oracle short. So again, this is going to be a standard algorithm very soon. Yeah, you should. And you have to have a hard number. If you lose whatever it is, like $200, $300, you just have to be done for the day. You can't just expose your accounts. Like, if there's a bad day, you know what I mean? Like, you have to just stay on top of it and be like, all right, well, I'm just going to have to take the L or whatever. I'm glad you protected your PAs. But that's the thing with Vizzy. Vizzy can go 0 for 10. Like, you guys you have to be aware of that. That's the biggest thing when using the algorithms. You have to look at the risk. What is the risk? What is the drawdown? Because whatever that is, that could happen to you as soon as you turn it on. Like in that next week, that could be your reality. You know what I mean? So people have to be aware of that. If it says like the max consecutive losses it's had over the last 6 months is 3, you have to be okay with at least like 3 to 4 losses in a row and for it to not bust your account. Because on the positive side, it's got like 25 wins in a row. But you shouldn't be looking at the wins or the profit. You should be looking at the risk. That is how it's going to help you and kind of set you up for success. Because if you don't, then you're just looking at the wins and then you have no idea what the risk is, or you have no idea what the, essentially like the worst situation could be. You have to be prepared for the worst. And then you'll be rewarded. $945 on this short.
Order canceled.
Target filled. $1,000 on Oracle. So the first one went as green as 700. You could have taken that if you wanted to. The second trade, $1,000. But then it came back and it hit the offset for like $100. Again, this is going to be part of the standard plan in a few weeks. I just have to look how it pulled back right to that daily level at 87. I don't know what that is. Look at Chris. I'm so proud of him. Because, like, sometimes, every now and then, and it happens to all of us, we'll get, like, in a funk where, do I have to have Ninja Traders? I have TradingView. No, you cannot use TradingView. Again, hey, Explorer, you're in the group now. I need you to come in the group and watch the videos. That's what you're going to have to do. Watch the videos that Amy sent you. You have to have NinjaTrader. Apex does not connect to TradingView. My bots only work in NinjaTrader. This is all NinjaTrader. This is all NinjaTrader. My bots
Order
only work in
submitted.
NinjaTrader, and Apex connects to
Order
NinjaTrader.
submitted.
Lilu connects to NinjaTrader. Take Profit Trader connects to NinjaTrader. Everything has to be in NinjaTrader. But you don't need like a personal NinjaTrader account. You're going to be using the NinjaTrader platform with the connection of Apex. Anyway, what I was saying was, you know, like sometimes you'll get in a funk. Nice job, Dan. You'll get in a funk. Well, I feel like Chris was in a funk maybe after December. Maybe like January he was in a funk. And I feel like mentally, like it's like having a block, but he's doing so well. Like, every day last week, I think he made anywhere from like $500 to $1,000 on all of his accounts. Yesterday, he made like $1,000 on all of his accounts. Today, he made $800 on all of his accounts. That's crazy. All from the mentorship, from manually trading. Awesome job. Vizzy's in a $300 long. Yep. Yeah. So go into Slack, watch the videos, but yes, you need to download NinjaTrader to your computer or your VPS. When you have it downloaded, then you're going to connect to your Apex username and password, and that's how it's going to work. But all of that is in the step-by-step videos. Well, Irma's been quiet lately, so it will keep you entertained.
Order canceled.
have Vizzy though, so like Vizzy's red $1,000, and again, you probably shouldn't be running the long only because we're under the chop zone, and maybe there's like a percentage that we should turn it on at. Like, that's actually an interesting thought. I just thought. Because typically we're going to get a move back up at some point, like Kenny's deep V's or whatever, but not on the way down. So maybe, right under the chop zone, maybe a percentage we shouldn't be turning it on, but then after a certain percentage we should be turning it on. Just kind of a thought that just came to my head, and I need to stop sitting on my ankle because my foot's asleep. But I was saying that to say that if Vizzy, say, gets in a long here and has a win, it will be green $1,000 on the day because a win is $2,000. Now, the shorts are red 400. So if you did the shorts, you're at 400. I wonder... Just a thought. All right, my foot is so asleep. It's 10:15. I'm probably going to wrap it up here so I can go play pickleball for the next few hours. And then I have a call at 2:30 and a call at 3:30. And then that's it. And then Kyle will be live tonight. Oh, maybe I'll go live with Kyle tonight. Kyle, would you like that? Just for a little bit. Because we have fun. We fuck around. I like going live with Jen too, but now... it's pretty much during my pickleball time. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for joining. Again, I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then Jen goes live. She's in the chat, BoldBot, just Jen, from 2 to 3 p.m. Will be live from 4 to 5 p.m. on TikTok, and Kyle will be live on TikTok and YouTube from 6 to 9 p.m. Vegas is coming up. If you're a student, there's technically 2 spots left, but one guy has pretty much guaranteed that he's paying me on Friday. So, we'll see. So, technically, I was being really nice, and I was like, I'll save it for you. Technically, there's 1 spot left, so. Jen said I'm not as important as pickleball. Oh my God, pickleball is so good for me. It's good for my mental health. It's good for my physical health. It's just good. It's good to get away from the